This is your friend. And what's your name of the brand of your store? My store, the name, the Royal Button. I make is here the Jindal Royal Button. Ask the Mr. Gulab Khan. Mr. Gulab Khan is the best designer and the best discount and the best quality in the fabric. You can visit him or you can call his number or order. You are to order me and this is WhatsApp me and this is call me and this is come here and this first come to India and visit and explore to my store because what's every good fabric because India is produced linen fabric, Kashmir wool, Kashmir wool and the silk and the save your money because here the labor very cheap. And his area guys, his area surrounded by all the tourist spots that you want to visit. This area is the name, the Leopold Cafe, Colaba. And the nearby is Chocolate Land. My store is the name Royal Button. This is Chocolate Land.
Laba lang. Pag lalaba, mayroong machine sila. Pag mayroong sigurong kaya, pwede makabili ng machine. Tapos mayroong dryer. Tapos mayroong ding mga nagpa-plancha dyan. So, even if you don't have ability, basta marunong ka maglaba, marunong ka mag-plancha, pwede ka dito. Nagugulat lang ako kasi yung washing nila. Yung washing nila, pag nagdadress sila, as in tuyong-tuyo talaga. Yung mga nabibili kasi natin na washing machine, yung or dryer, pag dinadry natin, kailangan pa natin isampay kahit paano. Pero dito yung
into this vlog, I am going to the Colaba Market. Dapat sa Crawford Market ako yun. Pero sabi mo sa kada daw pag-bingo, so I changed it. I love India. May friend kasi ako na nagsabi na pupuntahan ko daw yung Colaba Market tapos meron siyang may kasi siya doon na favorite. So i-try natin. Tapos sabi niya mag-picture daw kapag nandun ako. Challenge accepted. So parating na.
in the Colaba Hotel, I'm very close to all
the
tourist
Ribbon
spots,
Point, the Gateway of India.
Yeah.
So guys, if you want to go here, go to the old Mumbai in Dongra. What's this? That was the Dongri area. Dongri area, or you can just come here in the Colaba area market, and you can find your place here. Then all of the tourist spots here you can walk, right, my friend? Because from here, the Gateway of India is how many minutes? See, from car it will take like 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes because of the 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can walk to Marine Drive, right? Yes. And in Colaba area, market, you can see everything here. Look. What's the name of that? Is that church, my friend? No, that's the municipal corporation of Mumbai. But not allowed to go there, no? To fell. Today it is closed. Government is closed on Sundays.
Oh my gosh. Because it's holiday, no?
Yeah. Sunday is a national holiday. Hi friends, welcome to Mumbai. Okay. Yung friend ko kasi nag-challenge sa akin na mag-picture daw ako sa Cafe Mondigar. O, ayan na siya. Ayan na ang Cafe Mondigar. Saka nakapag-selfie na ako. Ang ganda ng area na to ng India. Kasi parang para sa akin na parang may Europe vibe ka. So, Lord, ang ganda ng bus nila. Parang Singapore. Need ko magbili ng shade kasi parang nakakaya mo siya. Takot ako pumawi. Catherine Locke. No, thank you. Parang super crowded sa Cafe Mondigar. So mamaya na tayo. Siyempre nandito tayo. Kain tayo dito na. Tignan natin kain niya. Saan ka din yung shade? Parang gusto ko bumili. Gusto ko sana magdaan din pala sa may market. Sabi lang ba? So gusto
gusto niyo ng mga customer dami kong choice. Pati sa mga bags mo. May wallet mo. Ganda. Oh my God, super safe yung mga daanan doon. Pero ang ganda talaga ng area na to. This is the Colaba Market. You can come here, guys. Mga damit. Iba-ibang klase, iba-ibang brand. Meron lahat dito. Siksikan nga lang ng tao. Ang maganda.
That's why, no? Yeah, this is named the Leopold Cafe. It's a very famous.
Ah, this is the Leopold Cafe.
Yeah, and this is entered by this gate.
I have information that it was before the
Yes, this is first gate. Here, here sitting the right 2080 people. Yeah, 2006, 26 elections. But when we hit that rate, it's very hard. Because today is very less people. Sometimes it's a queue like that. Meters half 100 meters. And I have nearby my own stores, it's like customized store and foods. So my stores here, outgate.
Yeah, later.
Okay, no problem. This is your friend, And
What's the name of the brand of your store?
my store, the name, the Royal Button. I make is here the Jindal Royal Button. Ask the Mr. Gulab Khan. Mr. Gulab Khan is the best designer and the best discount and the best quality in the fabric.
You can visit him or you can call his number or order.
You are to order me and just WhatsApp me and just call me and just come here and just first come to India and visit and explore to my store. Because once every good fabric, because India has produced linen fabric, Kashmir wool, Kashmir wool and the silk. And the save your money because in here the labor very cheap.
Yeah, and his area, guys, his area surrounded by all the tourist spots that you want to visit.
This area is the name, the Leopold Cafe, Colaba. And the nearby is Chocolate Land. My store is the name Royal Button. This is Chocolate Land.
What's your name?
My name is Gulab.
Nice to meet you.
Gulab Khan, K.H.N. Khan.
James.
Nice to meet you, James.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Social.
Colaba
Social.
Social.
Because this is a very old cafe. Because very old and very
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Leopold Coffee and Bar. I was informed that it was very popular here in Mumbai. And the history of this cafe is like it was attacked by some terrorists before, and now they become more popular. So parang yung literal na for example, pag bumagsak ka, bumangon ka ng bonggang-bongga. Ito yung pagbangon nila ng bonggang-bongga. At may natapod sa rin sa akin na if fall down, the line will be like very long. The line like very long. And kunti-kunti na lang yung halid nila. So, excited. What's this name again, my friend? Chapret?
Capret.
Capret. This Capret area is beautiful, and then I like the vibes. Parang ano,
Yes.
parang lahat ng mga tao kasi dito, yung mga hanap buhay nila is paglalaba lang. Lahat ng mga hospitals, apartment buildings, or residential area, pag magpapalabas sila, pupunta sila dito, tapos may sasalubong dyan, tapos meron na maglalaba. Yung mga tao na mga nakatira dito, lahat sila yung hanap buhay nila paglalaba lang. Paglalaba, merong machine sila. Pag meron sigurong kaya, pwede makabili ng machine. Tapos merong dryer. Tapos meron din mga nagpa-plancha dyan. So, even if you don't have ability, basta marunong ka maglaba, marunong ka magplancha, pwede ka dito. Nagugulat lang ako kasi yung washing nila, pag nagdadress sila, as in tuyo talaga. Yung mga nabibili kasi natin na washing machine, yung or dryer, pag dinadry natin, kailangan pa natin isampay kahit paano. Pero dito yung dryer nila, tuyo talaga. And then I experienced, my friend, that the dryer is not throwing the dress, no?
Yeah.
The dryer, no?
Yeah.
So it's good. Because there are dryer in some area in the Philippines. You know, after how many dryer, the clothes like here, no, right?
Yeah, no.
Maganda. At saka yung kagandahan ang sisipag nila kasi yung pag-deliver nila, di ba? So talagang pang maramihan yung mga labahan dito. Hinahakot talaga. Tapos para silang may mga kalayasa na yun yung the kalaysa, right?
Yeah.
Is their means to deliver the dress.
Yeah.
All over Mumbai. Just imagine all over Mumbai.
Yes.
And all over Mumbai also come here to wash their dress.
Yes.
Their laundry.
This one, 5,000 people working. 5,000.
5,000?
Yes. And the washing, iron, different department.
Oh, okay.
And the delivery, and the come back, and the keep this one hotel, room, hospital, and everything. People go inside and they coming, and this is now finished, and the washing, and they give me money, and they come back. Yeah.
It's clean because they come here often, right?
Yeah.
So it's clean.
No.
Oh, wow. Nice. The electricity not that big here.
No electricity.
Really?
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. What's this place again, my friend?
Again, this is Marian Drive.
Marian Drive.
Yeah.